Gazzy.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Uh, I'm good also. Thank you so much for accepting my request. I'm really so happy, so happy. Oh, you accepted my request. I can't believe this.
It's fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Nice. Your English is good.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm really so desperate to rise up my skill in English. But you looks like a actress. You looks like actress. So definitely, if you try for a modeling as a beginner, it seems to me that you would go a long way on this industry sector.
Uh,
So, what do you do?
what do I do
Yeah.
for work?
Work, yeah. For life.
Yeah. Yeah. I drive a truck. What do you do?
I do just a business here. It's a little business. Our business is really so
Yeah.
typical, so typical. I'm learning English for a reason.
Oh, that's good. How long have you been learning English?
Well, I have been using this platform for a couple of the months only, but I have practiced English for couple of the years. By reading newspaper, by just watching news channel in English like BBC, CNN, and such kind of this one. Even I use Facebook productively. Like I always try to follow the English newspaper, English news
Yeah.
page. So I try to, if any article comes in front of me on the screen, I try to follow that. And if any unknown word comes to me, I try to search out on the dictionary. And even according to the article subject, I go to comments just with that unknown word. So it's helped me to concept unknown word.
Well, that's very smart.
Why not? I always try to be different. So I try to be different.
Have a family over Bangladesh?
Yeah, I do live in Bangladesh.
Will your family move here, or are you going to move on your own?
No, I wanna to go by myself. I won't take my family. So what are you doing now?
I'm just ready.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just ready.
But do you like to travel outside of your country?
Yeah, I've traveled a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever been to any country?
Yeah, I've been to Samoa. I've been to the Philippines. I've been to Thailand. That's it. I think.
Oh.
Yeah, that's about it.
So you have been to this so many countries. So I only just went to the India, but after that, due to the financial problem, I cannot make any visa.
Your voice was playing, but you're not moving.
Oh my goodness! So may I drop this call and come once again, because it's my phone is getting frozen.
Yeah.
Probably.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Gazzy.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my videos and keep supporting.